place where you come to get enlightened and get empowered. So I haven't been around for a while. We had a lot of changes going on personally in our lives and a lot of things happening and transitions, which is what I want to talk to you about today. And we're coming out of course, the month of November, which is always a big energy shift month, just in general, because we've got two portals, the first of the month, which is 111, the 1111, which we just had. And of course, in between this year, we ended up with the powerful lunar eclipse. So we had a lot of energy shifts going on and taking place and getting us ready for the energy of 2023. We always start to feel that vibe a little bit before we get into the new year. So I wanted to talk to you about what's going on, personally for us. For those of you who know me and my family, we're originally from New York. 11 years ago, 2011, we moved to Southern California. So we decided to go as a family. Our son finished college there, and we really enjoyed our time there. We had a great time, but we started to feel a disconnect over there in that place. It just wasn't anything, just started to feel little by little. So we decided to say, well, maybe it's time for us to leave here and go somewhere else. We weren't sure where we wanted to go. We knew we kind of wanted to be in certain areas and certain weather and so forth. So we said, let's take a look at Florida. So we took a trip. And we said, let's kind of just scope it out and see, vibe it out, as we always like to say, we're going to vibe it out. And we came, drove all around, spent almost 2 weeks here, looked at some places, didn't find anything, went back to California and kind of said, okay, that's fine. We had a great real estate agent. We said, we'll have her look around for us and, hope if it's meant to be, and we'll see what happens and how it flows. Sure enough, within about 30 days of us getting back, my wife is online and ends up finding a place that fit our criteria. We had certain things that we wanted to have, and which made it, of course, you're looking for a place. You always want certain things that you want to have that are must-haves and certain things that are fringe, but there were certain must-haves that we had. And we find this place and ends up to be perfect for what we're looking for. We make an offer. They accepted our offer right away. And next thing you know, 30 days later, we're moving. So it just happened like that. It was very dynamic. So this is what will happen now. So the key right now for us is going to be energy being aligned with your highest self, and then you moving in that direction. So what that means is if you're feeling something that is off for you, or you're just feeling like I'm ready for a change, it could be, for us it was moving. For someone it could be jobs. For someone it could be starting that business you never did, or writing that book you've always wanted to write, or whatever the case may be. Or relationship driven, where you say, well, I'm in a relationship, or maybe this is not working out, or I'm ready for a new relationship. Maybe you haven't been in one for a long time. Or it could be family issues that you have never resolved or dealt with. So right now, this is an important time as we prepare to go into the next year. It's going to be a time of alignment, right? I want to be in alignment. I want to do what feels right. If it feels good, you want to start taking action. Now for us, we didn't do it with the feeling of, I have to make this change right now. It was more of, let's try it, let's see what happens. And that's the way you want to approach it. Just start moving your energy in the direction that you want to go in, and the universe will support you. The fact that it all happened so fast for us, we knew that was it. That was like, wow, this happened so quick. We got this deal. We were like, oh my God, we have stuff backing up. We weren't ready because we just got back. So this is what you're looking for. Now, it doesn't mean that the world is going to roll out the red carpet, but just start moving yourself in the direction. Follow your feelings. This is the key right now. Make sure, it's always been the key, but especially now as we're going into this high vibration, we're moving into this energetic shift that's taking place, that's just gaining momentum left and right. Next year is going to be much different than 2022. I'll talk about that in the future, but these are going to be the keys. So feeling alignment, and then go with that gut and start moving your energy in that direction. That's all you have to do. And then let the universe support your actions. And it will. The universe will support your actions. Doesn't mean you won't be nervous. Doesn't mean you won't feel uncertainty. Doesn't mean any of that. You may feel it. But as long as you feel that energy, keep going with that flow. There may be some bumps in the road, but allow yourself to take that path. And that is going to serve you well as we go forward. So I'm looking forward to be back here online. I've been gone for a while. Like I said, we went through this time. It took a while to get settled and all the different things that were happening. And we had some, of course, family issues going on, but all good. We're ready to have a great 2023 and the rest of this year, of course, as well. But I know that right now it's that powerful alignment that will really help you go forward. So have a great one. I'll see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll keep you rolling along. Be blessed.